Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And for those that are new here, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make French toast in a mug in the microwave. So if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to receive each and every video that I upload. I hope that you enjoyed today's video, and if you do, please don't forget to like and comment. Thank you. The ingredients are as follows: whipped cream, syrup, two pieces of bread, 1 egg, a 1/4 cup of milk, a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, okay, please don't forget to add butter to your mug. And just put the butter all the way around the mug. Okay, all I am doing here is cutting the bread in cubes.
You gotta listen up, listen up. There's not a thing that I can't get from you. Boy, I don't.
Okay, y'all, all I am doing here is just mixing all the ingredients together, making sure the bread is fully moist.
I needed gifts or diamond rings. All I ever need, all I ever need is here with you. There's a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you? Baby, there is a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow.
All right, now on to the microwave. And what I suggest is put the microwave on 1 minute and 30 seconds to about 1 minute and 45 seconds, depending on your microwave.
From you, I'm gonna hold you tight, 'cause you're the only thing that I can't lose. I'm never
Alright, y'all, let's go check in the cup and see exactly how this turned out. Ooh, it looks so yummy. Very delicious. Okay, we are actually going to go over here and put some syrup in the mug. And whipped cream is optional. And if you maybe had some strawberries or some bananas that you would like to add, you can do so as well. Yummy, yummy, yummy. And I think I'll just go ahead and add some cinnamon. And this was a very, very simple, laid back breakfast that you could make in about 5 minutes. Not hard at all, and it turned out delicious.